In this video, let me show you how to fix Setel app login problem Malaysia. Now there can be a few cases of this. The first thing that you need to ensure is that if you are receiving the OTP or not in order to log into your account. If this is the case for you, then what you can do in this situation is you need to simply type in Unblock 6300 and send it to this exact number so that the block is unblocked on your OTP number that is not generating. So make sure you try this step first of all. If this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache and data. Simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache and clear storage. Make sure you tap on it. Once you do this step, try to see if you can now log in. If the login still persists, then what you also need to ensure is that you disable any sort of VPNs that you might be connected to. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.